So welcome back to What Gear Reviews, and very rarely do I get sent a product that when it arrives I'm like wow. But this is definitely one of them, and it's from Sony, and it actually arrived yesterday, and I held fire on unboxing this thing because I wanted to shoot this video for you guys. So if I could get a thumbs up for that, I'd really appreciate it. But let's stop wasting your precious time and let's get into this box and see what's inside. All right, let's see what's inside this thing. Wow. They've hooked me up a PlayStation controller and an Xperia XZ2. This is just awesome. This might be one of the best things that I've been sent in a long time. Now, how do you open this thing? So they've sent me a PlayStation controller, and I'm assuming they want me to demonstrate how good this phone is when it comes to gaming. And as you already know, the PlayStation 4 is the #1 console on the market right now, and Sony are the Godzillas of gaming.
Run! It's Godzilla!
This video is actually becoming an unboxing video for the XZ2, but this is a completely different kind of box than anyone else has ever had. So this is actually a world's first for What Gear. Awesome. Big thumbs up to Sony for this.
It's HQ Broker. How are you today?
I'm alright.
Wonderful. By the way, Troy, the reason why I'm calling today is because I do see here that you showed an interest with regards to making an additional source of income online, and I need to verify if you are eligible to trade with us. Okay? By the way,
First impressions of this phone, really nice. One of my favorite phones of all time was actually the Apple iPhone 3G. Because of that rounded back, it was so comfortable to hold, and Sony have actually gone for that same style, and I really like it. First impressions, just awesome. So let's see what else is in this box. Okay, at first I thought this was just a stand to hold the phone up. Actually, it looks like this thing is a speaker and is powered by USB-C. And this looks like to be some kind of standing station. So it appears to come with a little stand as well, which clicks onto the bottom magnetically. So you can actually prop this up. This is really interesting. I've never seen this before. And what's under here? Little manual about the Xperia XZ2 when it comes to entertainment. And the full specs of the device. I'll talk a bit more about that a bit later on in the video. This is the actual phone case itself, where the phone would normally be. And under here we've got the charger, the manuals, headphones as well. Interested in test those out. Sony make really good audio equipment, USB-C charging cable, and all the earbuds and stuff like that. Whoa. So that's everything that came in the box, and I'm really excited to hear what this speaker can do and how good this phone is. At the moment I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and I wonder if this is better. I might actually do a camera comparison test, because as a YouTuber, videos and photos are really important, and if this is better than my Galaxy Note 8, I might have to change my daily driver to this. So the Sony Xperia XZ2 might be one of the very best phones for gaming for a few reasons. I'll give you 5 of them. Number 1, this is made by Sony, and I told you earlier in the video, Sony are the Godzillas of the gaming industry.
Run! It's Godzilla!
Number 2, this phone actually has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which is the most powerful processor for a smartphone from Qualcomm at the moment, so it should have really amazing performance when it comes to gaming. Number 3, this phone has a full HD HDR screen, and there's not many other phones on the market that have that. Number 4, the haptic feedback is going to give you much more immersive feeling when you're gaming. You're going to get those vibrations when people are shooting at you and all kinds of stuff, like when you're driving, it's vibrating when you're braking and turning corners. Really cool. Number 5, Sony, the name actually originated from the Latin word sonus, which actually means sound. And this has awesome sound because it's got stereo speakers built into it, and I heard that this has one of the best sounds of any smartphone on the market right now. So with all of that combined, you're going to get an awesome experience. And a little bonus one here, Sony have actually hooked me up with PS4 controller, and I'm going to demonstrate some PS4 remote play, which you can use on your Wi-Fi anywhere inside your house as long as your PlayStation's on. I just need to get one of those cradles to fit the phone onto the controller so I can play it a bit more comfortably, but I'm going to be demoing that stuff for sure. And stay tuned for that video where I'm going to be testing out just how good the XZ2 is at gaming. And they used to call me the Games Master back in the day, and I'm going to show you why. So a big thank you to you guys for watching this What Gear review. If you hit that legendary button in the bottom right corner of the screen, you will be one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I want to say a big thank you to Sony for hooking this up. I'm super amazed that it's been sent to me. Wow. Wow. See you in the next one. Don't be late. So welcome back to What Gear Reviews, and very fly.